Let's learn how to capture long screenshot. Normally, we can capture a screenshot by pressing volume down key and power button on same time. Another method is we can swipe our notification bar. After we can press this screenshot button. Another method is we can swipe our screen like this using our 3 fingers after the screenshot is captured. In here, we cannot capture a long screenshot. So, I open my mobile settings. In here, I can capture a long screenshot. Now, I press screenshot button. Immediately, you want to press this scroll button. Now, you can see the screenshot is continually capturing. If you want to capture this screenshot manually, you can drag it like this. After press this done button, now you can save it like this. Now I will tell you how to enable this 3 fingers screenshot capturing option. To enable this feature, go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to additional settings option. After click on this gesture shortcuts option. Now you can see here partial screenshot option. Click on it. You can turn on this press and hold with 3 fingers option. After, when you swipe your screen like this using your 3 fingers, we can capture a screenshot like this.